Are you looking to boost your Etsy sales in Q4? If so, you're in luck. In this video, I'll be sharing the top 5 Etsy trends for Q4 sales. These trends are all popular with shoppers, so they're a great way to reach a wider audience and increase your sales. I'll also be sharing some tips on how to sell these trends effectively. So whether you're a new seller or you're looking to improve your sales, this video is for you. So let's get started. Number 1. Personalized gifts. Personalized gifts are always popular, and they're especially great for the holidays. People love getting gifts that are unique and special, and personalized gifts definitely fit the bill. You can personalize just about anything, from jewelry to home decor to clothing. For example, you could sell personalized necklaces with the recipient's name on them. You could also sell personalized mugs with their favorite quote on them. You could even sell personalized pet portraits or custom-made artwork. Number 2. Handmade items. Handmade items are another great trend for Q4 sales. People are increasingly looking for unique and handmade gifts, and Etsy is a great place to find them. If you have a creative side, you can sell your handmade items on Etsy and reach a global audience. There are all sorts of handmade items that you can sell on Etsy, from knitted sweaters to crocheted blankets to beaded jewelry. You can also sell handmade food items like jams, jellies, and baked goods. Number 3. Eco-friendly products. Eco-friendly products are also becoming increasingly popular, and they're a great way to show your customers that you care about the environment. There are a lot of different eco-friendly products that you can sell on Etsy, from reusable bags to sustainable clothing to natural beauty products. For example, you could sell reusable tote bags made from recycled materials. You could also sell sustainable clothing made from organic cotton or bamboo. There are also a lot of natural beauty products that you can sell, like handmade soaps, lotions, and lip balms. Number 4. Digital products. Digital products are another great way to boost your Q4 sales. Digital products are easy to sell, and they can be delivered instantly to your customers. You can sell digital products like ebooks, printables, and templates. For example, you could sell an ebook about how to make your own Christmas decorations. You could also sell printable Christmas cards that your customers can customize. You could even sell templates for holiday-themed crafts like gingerbread houses or ornaments. Number 5. Holiday-themed items. Of course, you can't forget about holiday-themed items. People are always looking for holiday-themed gifts, so be sure to stock up on these items in the weeks leading up to the holidays. You can sell holiday-themed jewelry, home decor, clothing, and more. For example, you could sell Christmas ornaments, wreaths, or stockings. You could also sell holiday-themed clothing like sweaters, scarves, or hats. And of course, you could sell holiday-themed food items like cookies, pies, or cakes. So here's a pro tip to double your sales during the fourth quarter. Cross-promote your products by collaborating with other Etsy sellers, and offer free shipping to encourage them to buy from you. So those are the top 5 Etsy trends for Q4 sales. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to sell on Etsy.